Hi, in this video, we're going to look at the overview of the Employee DAO. To access the database, the Employee DAO needs a database connection. So somehow we need to get the database connection and give it to Employee DAO so that the Employee DAO can communicate with the database. So how to get the database connection? So for the database connection, create a helper class and define the data source. Let's talk about this helper class in detail. The helper class defines the database properties such as username, password, JDBC URL, and the driver name. And it also defines the static method which connects to a database and return the connection object. Alright, the first step is to define the database properties. The URL, driver, username, and password. We will be also creating a reference variable for the connection object. In the URL employee directory, which is nothing but a database name, the username root, password. I have not set any password to my database, so I leave the password field blank. If you set any password to your MySQL database, you can specify here. The second step is to get the database connection. We will be defining a static method and which will return a connection object. So the first we will be loading a driver, and then we will be calling a get connection method by providing a database properties like URL, username, and password, which will give the connection object. And finally, we will be returning the connection object. Alright, let's update our to-do list. We have already created an employee entity class, and the second step is to create a helper class or a utility class which will give the connection object. So in the next video, let's jump into Eclipse and create this helper class.